सॉरी नहीं
डिप्टी बनाम को उन्होंने आपने इन्फॉर्म किया था आपने इन्फॉर्मेशन मेरे पास तो ये था कि मैंने डिप्टी बनाम को बता दिया क्या मैंने बता दिया कब बताया
Hi sir, how are you? No, everybody is very kind. You can come.
जैसे मैंने रात को बता दिया था
आपको कब पता पड़ा
मेरे को तो उन्होंने कॉल किया तो कॉल में वापस क्या बोल रहे
आपको
आपको आया था फोन
Very good afternoon to all present. Today's first semi-final. Jindal Panthers and women Iron Achievers. Jindal Panthers, we are very well, that is not well hit. Goes Matthias. Coming from Chile, look at him. He promotes it. For Simran. Blues a very strong team. Promotes it further. Matthias going. Helpful later. Matthias. Can anybody stop Matthias? And it's hard luck. It goes out of play. Bautista taking the hitting. Takes the first step, trying to find Daniel.
Come.
Look at him go. Vishwarupi Bajaj. And we have a field there and puts the ball through the goal. We have to throw him. Let's see who breaks away from there. It's Matthias looking over his shoulder. Will he go in for a back or will he decide to turn? No, he goes for a back. Nice back. For Siddhant now raising the stick. But it's Daniel. Batting for the ball. Still. Who breaks? It's a Nelly. It's a traffic jam. Siddhant finally gets the ball. Siddhant. And look at Matthias. He pushes the ball forward. Let's see what does us. That's Simran. Abhimanyu Pathak. And that is Venkatesh. Ball scoops up in the air. Who gets the ball? And we have a whistle there. Ball went out of play. Knocking being taken. Abhimanyu Pathak. Now that is Bautista. Simran there. right behind him, coming from behind. Now Abhi Pathak misses the ball. And we have a whistle there. Bautista taking that shot but doesn't connect properly. Mallet meeting Bautista. That's no mistake getting that first goal. Ball throwing. Let's see what the Blues can do. They have a very strong lineup. At the moment, the Whites playing a fantastic game. Simran gets the ball. He releases the ball. Let's see. Can Siddhant reach it? Look at him go flat out. Abhi gets a better. Takes a backhand. Promotes the ball. Once again, Matthias gets the ball. Matthias. He's a very dangerous man. He doesn't like the ball being coming to his side of the ground. Anything that crosses 5B, Matthias doesn't like it, and he scores the first goal. Matthias, one of the best players today. पहला चक्कर ये देखना क्या होता है. And we have a whistle. Ball throwing. Whites in attack. And Matthias gets the ball. Matthias, small pass to Siddhant. Siddhant promotes the ball. Let's see, can he find Simran there? Oh, it is Venkatesh. He turns the direction of the game, but we have a whistle. He was marked there by... Daniel. How about the ball? He had a whistle there. Daniel promotes the ball. Finds Abhi. Abhi's body, but Abhi. Now it's Siddhant gets the position. Siddhant Sharma promotes the ball. Trying to find Simran Shergill. And Matthias comes from nowhere, and now it's a nice back by Daniel. See who gets the ball. Abhimanyu Pathak. Ball back. Simran gets the ball. Simran. No, that is Matthias. Matthias gets the ball. He releases the ball, doesn't connect properly, but all the way reaches Siddhant now. Siddhant gets a tap and sticks being raised. Whistle, but Venkatesh Boss misbehaving there. Bautista promoting the ball. Abhi Pathak. Who gets the ball there? In a jam, traffic jam. Who breaks away? Matthias gets possession. Matthias, and the ball goes over the back line. Matthias. Man-to-man marking right. Look at him. All the players taking their men on. Leaves it. Simran. Look at Matthias falling right behind. Leaves it. Abhimanyu Pathak. And he raises the stick and we have a whistle there. Batista. And he does no mistake. Getting that ball thrown in. Moment. Vimal Achievers in top. And we have a whistle there. So there is protest putting it forward for Daniel and we have a whistle there. Matthias. Long strike there. Let's see who gets onto the ball. There is no blue there. Ball with Daniel. Abhi Pathak following him. No, Abhi Pathak is on the other side. This is Matthias. What a long shot there, but lacking in direction. Falls right in front of Siddhant. But the Whites get the position. Batista promotes the ball for Daniel. Look at Daniel go. Daniel checking his horse. Promotes the ball. Abhimanyu Pathak puts the ball forward. For Vishwarup Bajaj. Vishwarup Bajaj. No, he misses the bouncing ball and it's Simran gets on the ball. Turns the game around. Simran. Beauty of this team is they keep switching places. Sometimes Matthias goes up front, sometimes Simran is at the back, but it is Abhimanyu Pathak going towards the goal and right at the goal mouth. And he will do no mistake there, getting that fifth goal for his team. Ball thrown in. Siddhant finds a loose ball. Daniel tried to stop him, but he has the ball. He has no support coming from behind. It's Simran there. Simran, and he misses under the neck shot. Hard luck for him, but still they are fighting for the ball. The Blues. Abhimanyu Pathak, but that's Simran takes it back out for Siddhant, can he reach the ball? Siddhant, he gets the ball. Still with the ball, still in play, but he loses position. Abhimanyu Pathak. Vishwarup Bajaj. And we have a whistle there. Daniel takes the tap. Will he promote it for Abhimanyu Pathak or Batista? He promotes it for Batista. Look at him getting another one. Can Vishwarup Bajaj reach it? Now it's Simran. 30 seconds to go. Siddhant batting for the ball. Siddhant gets a better. Bajaj trying to mark him. Siddhant gets a better. Siddhant still has possession. Will he go up front or will he leave it for Matthias? Let's see. Now he releases the ball. He has all the confidence in Venkatesh. But Daniel gets the ball. I thought he might. And with that we come Achievers in lead by 4 goals. They need some cheering up. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands for the down team. Let's support the underdogs also. Let's have a balanced game. And of course, we have Abby on the other side, playing for the country. That's here gets it. Simran and trying to battle for the that's Venkatesh. Then Siddhant gets the ball. And Matthias gets the ball. Matthias. I'm sure he's not happy with the scoreboard. 5-1. Him around. And there goes a big bang there. Oh, hard luck there. Jindal Panthers are down. It's Daniel. Dare to be Daniel. The daring Daniel. Promotes the ball. Bautista. He promotes the ball by Abhimanyu Pathak. The race begins, but it's Siddhant who will get to the ball first. Siddhant. He decides to turn the ball, not back it. And he loses the ball. Coming from behind, Matthias is on this second man. Let's see. Simran will get onto the ball. No, Daniel misses it. Bautista gets a backhander. Let's see. Abhi will get to the ball. Abhi or it's Matthias. Matthias gets the ball. He has possession. Will he release it or will he try to make a run by himself? He is gaining ground. He crosses 5B. Looking over his shoulder. Now he releases the ball. Let's see who gets the ball. It's Simran, but it is, we find Daniel in the way. Daniel. The daring Daniel. Sticks being raised. Who has the ball there? Siddhant goes in for a backhand, misses. And we have a whistle there. Bautista. He hits it towards Bautista. Let's see who gets to the ball. Matthias, look at him running. He gets to the ball first. Matthias, and he packs it. What a nice backhand. Simran gets to the ball. Simran Shergill. He decides to run around the sideboard. No. Bautista. He has the ball and we have a whistle there. And a cracker of a shot. Getting that six. Oh, thrown in. Siddhant gets possession. He turns the game around. Now Matthias. It has to do or die for him. He promotes the ball. No, he still has possession. Will he go towards the goal? Hard luck for him. The ball bounces. But coming from behind, Simran Shergill. Simran. And the ball goes out. Daniel takes a knock in. And he misses the ball. And it's Siddhant. Now or never. Siddhant. He's got the ball. Simran following him. Let's see. And no, it's Matthias gets the ball. Matthias. He has to score this one. No, he loses possession. And we have a whistle there. But let's see. Achievers. Daniel promotes the ball. Look at his shot. Bautista. Backside, but it's Siddhant who gets in the way. Siddhant. They're all wearing those bloated jackets, safety jackets. The Jindal team, mandatory for each player to have that jacket. Except for, I think, Matthias not wearing one. Ball is going towards the goal. Let's see, Siddhant slowly trickling towards the goal. Siddhant, no! And right at the goal mouth we have a foul. He closes his eyes and takes a tap. He's so strong. Siddhant Sharma takes. Blues are all intense. They have to score some goals. Let's see who breaks away from the throw-in. Siddhant. A nice backhand by Bajaj. Abhimanyu Pathak. Abhi. Look at this horse. Appaloosa. Abhi Pathak always gets his horse in the third chakra. Fantastic horse. And looks nice running on that. Leaves it for Siddhant. Siddhant takes a backhand. Let's see. Simran, can he score this one? Simran takes a long shot. Will it go? Will it go outside or will it remain in the game? Oh, hard luck. On the ball and score one under the next shot. Nevertheless, hitting being taken. Daniel. And goes a release. Nice pass. Look at Batista losing the ball. Siddhant checks his horse. Takes a backhand. Matthias. No, it's Bajaj. Look at that. And Simran takes a backhand and Daniel misses it. Let's see who gets onto the ball first. And Daniel gets a backhander. Hard luck, but it's still. Matthias has the ball. Matthias playing a tough game. He has to carry the ball himself. Will he go for a long one? Yes, he decides to take a long one. He finds Abby's horse on the way. Takes a near side shot. Let's see. Ball going towards the goal. 30 seconds to go. Let's see. Blues pushing their way.
Foul.
Simran.
Foul.
And we have a whistle there. End of the chapter.
The ball उधर ही आगे नहीं फाउल नहीं क्या घोड़े से लग के देखिए आगे नहीं यहाँ पे हुआ इसका टेक्निकल
He takes a cracker of a shot towards trying to find his forwards here, but they find Matthias. Look at him turning with the ball. Matthias gets possession. He has the line right away. Bang goes the shot there, trying to find Simran. Simran. But it's nice backhand. Matthias gets the ball. Matthias को बहुत रोक रखा है. आज कमाल का गेम खेल रहे हैं. Bautista. Again Daniel. Sorry, it's Bautista. It's Matthias. Slowly going towards the goal. Now he releases the ball but doesn't connect properly. But let's see who gets the ball there. Yes. Siddhant on the ball. Siddhant, can he score the ball? Siddhant, no, he loses. Look at the whites. All converge on the ball. Still, Matthias has the ball. Matthias, will it be a goal or no goal? Let's see, Matthias. And right at the goal, no, it's a goal. Nice backhand by Matthias. But this will not do the magic. Siddhant promotes the ball, but there is no blue ahead. Bautista. All three players, Abby Pathak, Bautista and Daniel, combining very well with each other. But it's Simran who gets the ball. Simran decides to make a run. Simran Shergill, Simran. But there are two whites on him. Daniel gets the better. Siddhant gets the ball. He can be very dangerous. No, look at that. Really the whites are fighting very hard there. Oh, what a shot by Abhimanyu Pathak. He is the master of disaster. He is a very dangerous man. He can wreck any side. Matthias. Keeping a watch is Abhimanyu Pathak. He releases the ball. Unable to find Siddhant. Bautista gets the ball first. Bautista. Very tough customer there. Abhi Pathak gets the ball. Siddhant. And look at that. It's Simran. He backs it for Matthias. Let's see. Matthias, can he find some? He is yet to score, I think. No, he has scored one. And Siddhant. It's a chance for them. Blues putting pressure. Now Matthias has the ball. That's hard luck for Matthias. It will be a big one. It indeed is a big one.
Come on, Vishu.
Almost reached the goal, but Bajaj. And what a goal by Bajaj. Ball thrown in. Let's see who gets the ball. Whoever wins the throw-in will get a goal there. It's tense moment and we have a whistle there. Oh, he fumbles, but still he has no. Look at that. It's not his day today, Matthias. Bautista not making a run there. Look at that. Matthias right behind him, racing. Bautista and oh, hard luck there. He almost scored that goal. 22, 6, 23, 24. Matthias doesn't connect to Simran. He has to take a long shot. There is no time left. They have to score a goal. Goes for a long one there. Let's see. Is it going towards the goal? Can anybody score from here? Siddharth getting the ball. Turning the game around. Bautista. He really played like a tiger today, Bautista. And a shot there for Abhimanyu Pathak, but it is Matthias there. Abhimanyu Pathak, can he score? No. Matthias, he doesn't connect. That's not his day today, Matthias. Abhi Pathak with the blue snatching away Simran, and it's Siddhant. Matthias turns around. He has to go for a long shot. He connects, but let's see who gets onto the ball. And it goes over the back line. Hard luck for him. Out to go. And the victory bells for Achievers. Vimal, what a game played by Bautista.